Each one of you in here will be picking up personal productivity tips. And yet, the theme of the conference is we are FM Global. Your personal productivity skills will affect the we of FM Global. So that's why they are absolutely critical, so you can have an even stronger we moving forward. So today, let's kick this off with the fundamentals of time management, beginning with the foundation, priority determination. You have probably heard the saying, if everything's a priority, then nothing's a priority. If we can't make up our minds, we tend to do the easiest thing. Or we tend to work on whatever task is being barked at us the loudest. So we need to become familiar and be able to make decisions in an instant and what the priorities are as they shift throughout the day. The next level of the time management foundation is overall time distribution. That means on a Friday afternoon, instead of saying to yourself, oh my gosh, where did my time go this week? Instead, I want you to flip that question into where will my time go next week? You have an idea of what responsibilities you want to address in the upcoming week. And then we have task efficiency. Is there a more efficient and effective way for your brain to work on tasks? Wouldn't that be pretty awesome? And then at the top of the pyramid, we have the key that is missing from almost everybody's to-do list, and that is time management, time estimation. How many of you have ever created a to-do list from stream of conscious, and you're writing down everything that you need to do the next day, and then the next day finishes, and you have maybe one thing checked off that list, and you were so upset? But what was probably missing was a time estimation. You just jotted down 15 hours worth of work when you might only have 90 minutes total in between all of your meetings to get that work done. How are you supposed to do 15 hours worth of work in that time period? So these are the absolute foundational components of time management. And when you are aware of what these are for you and then for your team, you will be in much more control of your time.